Hi, I'm Melanie Cross. I live in Palo Alto, California. This is my beautiful garden. It was important to me to have as locally native as possible for the insects and therefore the birds and the rest. Our local institutions like Valley Water can give us information that we need to change our gardens from merely decorative to being part of the solution for the biodiversity loss. We live in an arid place, and to waste water when there's so many uses for it, it's a crime. The California native plants, many of them don't want to be watered in the summer, so we make them happy.